Being busy isn't productivity. The real winners aren't the ones who hustle harder, it's the ones who build feedback loops smarter. Today, I'll show you the SpyTechAI method, a tech-driven three-phase upgrade system that tracks, reflects, and programs your workflow into momentum. First, track reality. Install Toggl Track and commit to logging every task for 1 full week. Here's the key most people miss. Don't just track when you start and stop. Write down the task you intend. Then log what you actually finished in your expected time frame. It's not about calling yourself lazy, it's about diagnosing how your mind lies about time. Hit like if you're trying to build smarter, not just work harder. Subscribe if systems like this are what you've been missing. Second, reflect and reveal. Inside Notion, create a simple template with 2 daily fields: expected task duration, actual task duration, reflection, why the gap? After each day, dump your thoughts in fast notes. Then at the end of the week, use Notion AI to summarize your bottlenecks and biases. You'll start seeing hidden patterns, tasks you underestimate, energy dips, focus flows. Notion becomes your diagnostic lens, not just your planner. Third, program your workflow. With your real data and insights now visible, plug your major tasks into motion. Let it reschedule your life, not based on wishes, but based on performance facts. The AI will start patterning your work blocks to match your energy rhythm. In weeks, your schedule won't just be organized, it'll be dynamically optimizing itself like a living system. Next up, we're not just managing tasks, we're building your full second brain OS, where AI doesn't just manage your calendar, it scales your focus into full cash flow leverage. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and get ready. SpyTechAI is just getting warmed up.